Welcome to Astounding Bounds TV. I'm Dr. Elaine Cannon. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how parents can teach their special needs child to do chores. This is an important topic because all children, regardless of ability, benefit from learning responsibility, building confidence, and gaining life skills that will serve them in the future. Many parents feel overwhelmed when trying to teach their child these tasks, but with patience, consistency, and a biblical approach, it's absolutely possible. In Proverbs 22:6, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. This verse reassures us that every child can learn with the right training and guidance. Special needs children may require different teaching methods, but they are still capable of contributing to their home and growing in their independence. The key is to meet them where they are and build on their strengths. One of the most important things to remember is to start small and be patient. Children with special needs may need extra time to grasp new skills. That's okay. Instead of overwhelming them with multiple tasks, begin with simple chores like putting toys in a bin, wiping a table, or placing clothes in a laundry basket. Using visual schedules, step-by-step instructions, and model the task for them can help make the learning process smoother. Ecclesiastes 3:1 reminds us, to everything there is a season and a time, to every purpose under the heaven. This verse encourages parents to embrace their child's learning pace and trust that in time they will develop the skills they need. Repetition and encouragement play a huge role in teaching children to do chores. Instead of expecting them immediate mastery, parents should demonstrate the task multiple times and allow their child to practice with guidance. Positive reinforcement such as verbal praise, a high five, or a small reward system can make a big difference in motivating the child. When children feel encouraged, they are more likely to participate willingly. Galatians 6:9 says, "Let us not grow weary in doing good, for in due season we shall reap if we do not lose heart." This applies not only to parents, but also to children. When they are given the right support, they will eventually reap the benefits of their hard work. Another way to help children enjoy chores is by making the experience fun and engaging, turning tasks into a game, playing music, or giving them a simple chore, like whether they want to start with sweeping or dusting can make a big difference. Sometimes using colorful tools or giving the child a special role, like being the table cleaner captain, can make chores more exciting. Colossians 3:23, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. When we teach our children that even small tasks have value, they begin to see chores as meaningful rather than burdensome. It is also important to adapt chores to the child's abilities. Some children may need reminders, timers, or modified tools to help them complete a task. If a child struggles with fine motor skills, parents can find simpler ways for them to participate, such as using a handheld vacuum instead of a broom, breaking tasks down into smaller steps, and giving the child ample time to complete them can reduce frustration. Philippians 4:13 encourage both parents and children, saying, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." No matter the challenges, God gives us strength to those who seek Him. Teaching children the value of helping others is another essential lesson. When children understand that their contributions help the whole family, They begin to take pride in their efforts. Parents should celebrate small successes, focus on progress rather than perfection, and involve their child in group tasks like setting the table or folding laundry together. Acts 20:35 tells us it is more blessed to give than to receive. Helping at home is one of the first ways a child can experience the joy of serving others. In the process of teaching chores, parents should also remind their children that they are never alone in their learning. God is with them, guiding them every step of the way. Isaiah 41:10 offers a comforting promise. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you, and I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. This is a message not only for children, but also for parents who may feel discouraged at times. Finally, we must remember that progress is different for every child. Some children will take longer than others to learn certain tasks, but what matters most is consistency and love. 1 Thessalonians 5:14. Encourage the disheartened, help the weak, be patient with everyone. Parents should see the role as guide, not enforcer, helping their child to develop at their own pace while feeling supported and capable. As we close today's message, I encourage you to be patient, celebrate small victories, and trust that with time and faith, your child will grow and contribute to the household. If this message has blessed you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more faith-based parenting discussions. Share your experience in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. I'd like to hear how you are helping your child learn and grow.